Emerald, and today I'm making calendars for the new year. So I'm going to be creating 12 illustrations, and then I'm going to be bringing them into Figma and making little printable calendars for them. So yeah, I'm going to go through my process and just begin. So my first step was going into the Figma community and downloading a calendar that I like. I know that I will mess it up if I make a calendar by myself, so I'm gonna link the one that I used below. I just kind of moved things around and I started mapping out where my illustrations are gonna be and how it's gonna lay out on the actual page. So all of my illustrations are going to be in squares, and I'm going to take all of these squares, export them, and then that's actually what I'm going to be drawing on in Procreate. So I'm going to show you guys that. Hopefully it will make a little bit more sense when you actually see it.
So here I am chunking in my illustrations. For projects like these, I always trace. It's so much more time efficient, and it's either this or downloading a graphic pack. But here I am just putting my architecturally significant chairs all in a line and figuring out how it looks all together.
Alright, so I am back and I have a game plan. So I'm feeling this for the illustrations and the theme of the calendar. I'm really digging them, and I'm going to be starting on like the high quality versions of them. So I'm going to spend like the rest of today just drawing some chairs because I'm really digging them.
It's been so long, you've been so tough, you've kept it up, you've kept me up, been standing tall, keeping strong, and I'm doing well. I'm eating more, and though you might think that you're fine, you need someone, and though you've been in your time.
Hello, I'm back. So I have all of my illustrations, and now I can just get into Figma and start playing around with them.
And though you might think that you're fine, you need someone. And though you've been big in your time, you need someone to love.
I'm back and I have a finished calendar. So I actually printed it out. I tried to be aware that like people are going to be printing these. So I made two versions. I made like a full color version and then this line work version, which is very printer friendly and ink friendly to use. And I also have a 12-month spread of the calendar. And then I have these little 2-month spreads, and when you cut them all out, it's like a cute little mini calendar, and I love it so much. So you could either cut them out, or for this one I just like folded the page. But yeah, I'm super proud of these. I love it so much. I'm really excited that you guys get to use it, and I would love to see it if you guys actually print it out, and I would love to see how it looks in your space. And if you have any questions about any of the steps I did, let me know in the comments below. I'm going to try my best to link everything, including the calendar that I based this calendar off of, and any other resources that I mentioned or used throughout this video. Hopefully you guys are having great New Year's, and thanks again. Bye.